If this server isn't going to accept us, if Nate's going to try to get rid of us, then we won't be here, and his server can lose its population.
Fuck Atheria.
Sink yourself into me like a drug into a sickness. Nostalgic guarantee. The sentimental little weakness. By a stroke of lack of focus, I'm back in your old direction. I was growing too tired of the apogee.
We're up against like the best fighters on the server.
There's no upsetting me. There's little life left in the seabed. Leapt from court to the quay and dropped directly in the deep end. On the coast of Atlantic Ocean, I'm back in your old direction, swimming only in spite of the apathy. And I don't mind, you can keep that stereo.
And the best PvPers these servers have ever seen.
Please be kind, you know the big man's got you full. When comes the time that robs your only witness. You can keep that stereo, and I don't mind. We could leave it at a wish list. Just please be kind. You know the big man's got you full. When comes the time that robs your only witness, you know robs your only witness. Oh, robs your only witness.
The entirety of the server is cooked, guys. If we can't even fight these two nations, bro, it's over.